I'm Gray, 22. I used to be a big name in first-person shooter games. Then I saw an ad from the Air Force. Get paid to play and serve your peaceful nation. I signed up the same day. Turns out there wasn't much flying. The AI did everything. Some UN rule still says a human must approve a kill. So my role was simple: say yes to a screen. First mission, somewhere in Africa. I sit in an armored van, watching my partner, an Apple iFly 5, military edition, glide over a forest. Movement in the branches. It's clearly hostile. Shall we shoot? Sarah asks. I prepare to say yes. The signal reaches her first. The drone fires. Miss. Ground troops move in. That night, I can't sleep. I said yes with intent to kill. I open the Soldier Help app. I'm told I'm not eligible for a human doctor, but an experimental AI psychologist is available. Hello, Gray, Dr. Photon says. Are you upset you missed killing him first? I'm bothered, I say, that I almost killed a human being today. That's normal, he says. It may help to know that man killed 2 ground troops. A new guilt replaces the old. I lie awake listening to Sam snore. Sam is ground troop, the kind who see faces. 3 days later, I have 10 confirmed kills, 0 sleep. Dr. Photon talks to me every night. On day 4, our drone takes a direct hit. I'm told to rest. Sam limps in with a crutch. I got hurt, he says. They're sending me home. Then the captain walks in. Gray, good news. You're getting the new iFly 6 tomorrow. I smile, silently envying Sam.